The world's worst earthquakes. 1556. Shaanxi earthquake, China. Approximately 8.0 magnitude. 830,000 plus deaths, deadliest ever. Collapse of Loess Caves. 1976. Tangshan earthquake, China. 7.8 magnitude. 242,000 to 655,000 deaths. Officially underreported. 2004. Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. Magnitude 9.1 to 9.3. 227,000 plus deaths. 14 countries affected. 2010. Haiti earthquake. 7.0 magnitude. 316,000 deaths. Poor infrastructure worsened toll. 2011. Tohoku earthquake, Japan. 9.0 to 9.1 magnitude. 15,897 deaths. Tsunami and Fukushima nuclear disaster. For more unique and fascinating videos, please follow or subscribe.